Music's on. Alright, should be good. Should be good now. Alright, I think we're good now. YouTube good. Alright. Let's see what we do. New month today. So we keep rechecking that zone. This is all good. Alright. Alright, so we have no news at all. Holy flush. So we have. We're reacting off this level pretty good. As we just manipulate our zone just a tiny bit, but not that impressed. Move this over a bit. ES just. There's no low sticking on ES yet. 15-minute. That zone rejected 3 times, by the way. There were 3 rejections on that. It's kind of interesting to me. Let's see what we do off that. Alright, we have quick rejections from these zones. So this is definitely a strong area of resistance, or whatever you want to call it. Pushing back up here. Let's see. Let's see if we can. See, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Alright, we have no news today though. I mean, it's not a horrible thing, but it might affect overall movement. What the heck is all that? Am I still banned? Might still be banned. That's all good. Oh, we're flashing, man. All right. Let's see here. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I wouldn't mind seeing it pop up though. We're building a nice base right now. Alright, so let's see what we do. We reacted at 30-minute now like 4 times. So I'm really trying to see. Overall pivots are making right now probably a lower high. We swept liquidity, the hourly. Looks like we're gonna we haven't taken out Asia session lows yet. Well, we did pre-market. I'm not a big fan of pre-market action, so I'm not gonna do anything. I would really like to see a possible flush into this zone. We have London low around 27,650. So, do I think we'll hit that? I'm not sure. Sure. Let's see what we can do. What does that even mean? Co-host? No. So now we're in between areas right now. So I want to see some sort of explosive move to the downside or upside. That's all I'm looking for. I want to see clear volume and clear manipulation. I'm not going to take any gray area setups. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so we've retested this area now basically 1, 2, 3 times, and we're starting to chop. So in terms of probabilities, this is probably gonna blast too high a day. I guess, but we have some strong liquidity in the bottom, and ES is a bit weaker. ES is kind of a bit weaker than Nasdaq, but not by much. Now we kind of just gotta wait for a move here. Essentially, we're just kind of shopping around. It's basically just setting up. Setting it up. A little VWAP projection possibly, but VWAP stuff. It either holds or doesn't. I don't really play it. I just have it as an indicator. Alright, the thing I'm eyeing right now is that previous day New York session high. That's where I think price is gonna want to go. As we overlap those zones. So we have a 30-minute and stacked 15-minute zone on top of each other. So we just gotta, there we go. Good movement. Big volume spike. Alright, let's see what. Alright, at this point now we have this consolidation. Let's see if we can manipulate this to go short. Just this. Alright, that's a pretty good tail right there. There we go. Alright, we just took out that high. Let's see if we can inverse. Let's see if we get an inversion here. Let's see. So if I want to take this high, I want to take that. Oh, I run 2 contracts. Target probably. That's kind of a big stop. The big stop. Like a really big stop. I mean, if we. Let's see how we react here. It looks like 5 minutes trying to break out, but it's failing, which is what we want. We want this to fail. Let's see. So we have internal sweep right here. Top of this, I can't see it. Unless you push high right now, this version's still valid. Still valid inversion. I probably play to the top of the zone. I can't really play the tail. The risk just isn't there. Alright, let's see what we do here. So we're reacting off this gap right now. I'm trying to see this get inversed. This is what I want to see. What I want to see. I want to see this push up fail. That's what I want to see. If we make a new high, then this setup is no longer valid. Simple as that. Simple as that. Let's see. Because London, I mean, Asia session highs and London highs are pretty up there. So we're low-key kind of range bound right now. So you might see a big move to the upside to kind of break that range. Alright, so this is no longer valid for me. That inversion at least. The setup is still valid, I think I'll make another inversion. That's all. We're doing a lot of wicks. We've tested the zone so many times. We gotta make a move here soon. Alright, let me test this for you guys. Alright, so I'm looking for that manipulation move right now. That's all I'm looking for. Definitely starting to. I just need a promising candle. That's what I need. Time is it? 9:48. Well, we have about 12 minutes. About 12 minutes until we hit 10 a.m. Reversal time. Yo, Frank, you going to kick today? You hear Frank? My little follower. Let's see. Alright, still nothing right now. Alright, another rejection kiddo coming in. That's now 4 rejection candles in the last like 5 minutes. It's not a horrible short. Not horrible. But I want to see I want to see the zone do something. Jeez, that's why you wait. That's why you wait for confirmation. That is just crazy reversal. Oh, that's a little bit bigger spike in volume too. Let's see if we can maintain. If this thing makes a new high, I might low-key adjust my accumulation here. Yeah. It's over. Like that. I wouldn't be surprised if we just took a dump right now. But it's a little choppy. I like when there's good gaps to use with. But right now it's kind of just like bar by bar. Like a barcode. Let's see. If we can push higher, I wouldn't be upset with that. But if we fail this, shorts could be the play. I could risk about probably what, 3 contracts? Who has 3 contracts? Alright, we're like really rejecting here. Like, yeah, that's what I thought was gonna happen. So that candle kind of gives the indicator. Alright, what if I do this? Alright, let's see if it gives me a gap here. So far, still nothing VWAP's holding as we speak. These shakeouts are kind of crazy. Alright, 6 minutes till 10 a.m. Let's see. Let's see. Again, we're in that stack zone. No, we don't hit that stack zone until near concession highs. So I wouldn't mind seeing that get taken out, but I don't know yet. We need more confirmation. A flush could be inbound here, but Alright, so now at this point we have that internal sweep. That accumulation, that manipulation going on into the zone. Now it's starting to distribute here. I just need some sort of gap to enter on. As I know, I have the movement. I just don't have an entry. I need an entry. That's what I'm looking for. We keep filling every gap. Every time. Come on, man. Loki would not mind a new high. I would not mind a new high right now. That'd be technically, you know, high day. New York session day. Would not mind that. But might not get it. Let's see, come on. Get a push up. Give me a push up. I need some sort of move here. This is brutal. Come on, Nasdaq. What's ES doing? ES is pushing way higher. Not way higher, but you might see an S. I don't know. You could see a potential SMT, but it's not that good of liquidity, so not really. We take out you fill the gap on ES, then you might see an SMT kind of base move, but not seeing it right now. Come on, baby, push higher. Give me a new zone to work with if you push higher. Be something like this. New consolidation. It's like, yes, might. There we go. Okay. Perfect. That's actually what I want to see. We can inverse this gap, dude. Right here. Be one happy man. Mirror yourself like the 4 contracts. target. Probably Asia session lows because we never took them out. Yeah, I would think about taking here. Alright, let's see if we can see what we do here. Let's see what we do here. We're now in discount in the zone. Internal sweep. We have manipulation, like consolidation. And if we have an inversion of this gap, we're like pretty good here. I will gladly take that. Get 5-4 contracts. See if we can close below this. Then I'm getting him. Only if we close below. That's a horrible close, dude. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that close. Ew. I have to adjust my... Alright, let me see how this closes here. Let me see how this closes. I would sell 4 contract. Oh, that is a nasty close. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, if I were to miss the setup, or whatever, I need a little more confirmation. Need a little more confirmation here. Because that is a nasty tail on the 5-minute. That is a nasty tail. Fifteen looks good. Alright, I need like a solid close. Then I can take this. Horizon. Four contracts, right? Alright, my order's in. Let's see if we can get something here. I'm looking for something like this. Looking for it to move down with some room. That's what I'm looking for right now. Alright, I'm in. My target would be 27,800. 800 with habitat. Alright. Let's see what we do. Quick that inversion in 1 minute. You might stop some room. Best fill, but I want to see us flush. I want to see us taking out Asia touching low. That is what I want. Clean this up for you guys. So if we were to take out this low, if we take out that low, how do I stop? So that'd be a bit high. But we could pop, so whatever happens, happens. We're past 10 a.m., so we could move. What the hell? What just happened? Um, I am moving my stop. We got close below that though. Yeah, I'd move my stop. That's just insane. So if we go below this low, I'll move my stop again. We really need to break. We really need to break VWAP here if you want this to work. The only way this works. So we keep holding VWAP, so that's all we need to hold. I don't. If we do get stopped out though, we did de-risk a little bit. So we'll lose a little bit less. I mean, that is just a crazy shakeout. Yeah, so we're going higher. We're going higher. Oh, they crazy manipulation candle, dude. Yeah, looks like we're gonna make a new high here. Wow, that is a crazy candle, dude. Alright, popped out. All good. Was just unfortunate. I don't understand how we even create the shakeout. Nothing new about it. Other idea, just had an insane shakeout candle on me. Like insane. All good. So one loss in a day. We're on a pretty bad losing streak right now. I don't know what's going on. It's all good. Let me take a picture of this. So. I took this inverse. I might stop with originally. Here, so let's just take a picture of that. So I have it. Save that. Man, I cannot get a win right now, man. It's insane. Shot. Alright. So 1L today. So far, wait, 1L. Who's good entry? This didn't work. Alright, we're still in that zone though. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. We're on the 15-minute. Actually, we're on a 30-minute. Right. 30-minute supply zone. So if we take out New York session highs, previous day New York session highs, you might have a chance for reversal again, but yeah. probably gonna blow this account. I really want these previous day New York session highs to get taken out. If I take another trade. Use something? I mean, that was insane. Oops. I would really like to see those previous day New York session highs get taken out. Yeah, this is not the nicest price action. This is pretty choppy. So. Probably should not do that conversion considering it got respected and destroyed at the same time. Low key kind of weird why I did that. You live and you learn. Got some internal liquidity. We fill the gap in the zone. I really want those New York highs to get taken out. Alright, looks like we're respecting that 1 minute for value gap right now as we speak. See if we can invalidate it. Respecting that gap. Wow, we cannot do this either? I guess we're not gonna take the size. Weird. You can tell it's a no dues Monday though. Be boring. Looks like we're trying to take it out. Bro, how am I getting what? Body exposure? Oh, I have a restriction again? Bro. I don't understand it. Cool. Oh, I'm banned again? What, dude? Wow. Alright. I don't understand why the restriction I'm alive. I haven't done anything. Whatever, dude. Okay. What is mom? Still respecting that gap. And now I have a restriction in my live stream. Like, what, dude? I don't get it. Yo. Bro, I don't understand why. I haven't done anything. I've not said a single thing. How am I getting restrictions? Like, what? What's that, bro? My kid's comments scared me. Ever since. We're still respecting that gap. Was there news in that candle? I don't know how I lost it. Alright, it's 10:27, so we still have time to take no trade. So we're getting close to that stacked zone. In that case, we're taking out a pivot high and your extension high. That'd be perfect. But as of right now, we are not getting it. Bro, these bottom kills today are literally ridiculous. They're ridiculous. They just keep happening. I don't know if I can short today. I mean, everything is just getting rejected. Both keep stepping in. Oh, there we go. Finally some movement. We had some consolidation, but we had no manipulation, so it's like I really wanted those New York Session highs to be taken out. I really did. I could technically take this. I could. Probably 3 contracts. I could take it. Still want 80 session lows. Something like that. But I mean, we just broke structure to the downside in the 1 minute. 15 minute, it's still looking pretty horrible. Hour looks pretty bullish. But we'll see if we can get a move down here. Just this. is just not moving how I want it to. No, sir. My first trade was good. It just didn't work. They tried to push down. They just grabbed orders and ripped. That's what I can do. We de-riffed as we should have, so. Alright, it's good. I want to see a push higher here. I want to see it take out these session highs. You go to the other zone. That would be ideal. Maybe taking a late trade today. 10:30? Yeah. We'll see. A 5-minute wants to go higher. It's trying. What makes my mod and kick? Oh, wait. How do I do that? Oh. I don't know how to make you mod. Oh, roll, maybe? Oh, wait. Hold on. I think I give you mod. Thick. I think I gave you mod. I don't know. I don't actually know. You challenge it. I think I gave you mod. I don't really know. I'm not sure. I think I did. Alright. We're still just chopping around. I want to see that push higher, but we might just keep going lower. I want to see a big volume bar come in and take out those highs. That's what I'm trying to see. Yeah, you do. You have a little hammer. Yeah. You have Nice. All right. We're still just chopping sideways. This is what no news Monday does to you. Holy smokes. Crazy. I'm on NASDAQ. Push higher now. I can't wait to stream on my computer and on my phone. So low quality. There we go. Come on. Live for one more trade. What my plan says. Boom. That's what I want to see. That's exactly what I want to see right there. I want to inverse this. I can do 4 contracts. That's exactly what I want to see. We can maintain this wick. I was 250. I would probably still target these lows down here. Oh, wait, take this one, guys. There we go. Alright, we just swept that zone. Well, the accumulation. Now we're still inside that 30-minute supply zone. I would really like us to go lower. 15 minutes reaching up. This could be something. What's on the high? I don't know, that was short-lived, but alright, we already tested that, so I don't want it. I want to take the other zone. So that 30 minutes gone. It's invalid. I don't want it anymore. So we have this 15-minute. I'm taking 15-minute zone. So let's see if we can push higher. I want to see some clear manipulation going on here. We just took out previous day New York session highs. We might take out London highs, but I don't see it happening. You never really know. But there you go. You can see those London highs I'm talking about. All right, we just entered that 15-minute zone. Let's see how we react. The only thing is, if I get in early, there's a good chance that we push up the London high. So as of right now, if we were to inverse this right here, I might be a little hesitant to take it because those such the highs are still above us. But we could see an internal sweep right here. We could. We could. Let's see what volume's doing here. More visible. There we go. Alright, so we reacted off the inverse. We didn't do anything with it. We still have liquidity on that's a 30-minute pivot high. See if we can push higher and make more gaps. There's a volume spike like 2 minutes ago, but we did just internally sweep in the 1 minute. Let's see what his volume looks like here. Yeah, as I said, volume wasn't that good. I'm not in any position. I took a short earlier, but I lost. But right now I'm in nothing. I'm just watching. I am looking for shorts though. I'm looking for shorts right now. I'm hoping to take out London session highs. That's the goal. That's the goal. Wait, that's all-time highs, right? Yeah, Asia session highs? Yeah, it is. Yeah, you're probably right. Cause I'm really looking for those session high sweeps. But we are pumped right now. We are pumping. Alright, 30-minute. As of right now, it's probably not gonna sweep. Alright, let's see here. Let's see. That's a pretty good engulfing candle if you hold it. Volume just increased a lot. We just got a spike in volume too. Tempting. That's not the best candle. Alright, this 15 minutes still has. Alright, we just hit discount in zone 2. High volume. Internal sweep. Oof. I'm gonna do nothing though, only because London highs are right there. Price is probably gonna want to reach for that. So I'd rather miss out on this trade than get into early. This is no longer valid. Come on. Come on. That volume pushes higher. Alright, what time is it? 10:48. Alright, so 12 minutes until 11 a.m. So if we do not take out London highs, I'm not taking the short. At that point, it'd be a pivot high. It'd be London high. It'd be a zone sweep. It'd be like 4-1. So just gonna sit my hands for now. And I already took 1 L in the day, so I'm gonna be a little cautious. A little cautious. So we're starting to consolidate, which means the zone is not as strong as I want it to be. I don't think there's any other. Yeah, for this is just 80 session high. That's all that matters. I'm going to tread the waters carefully right here. Could you easily see a big explosion kindle any second. Any second. Let's see. I'm hoping we hold this 9 EMA. I am hoping. Alright, 15 minutes. Definitely starting to reach here though. Now we have an official gap. 30-minute, 15. Roughly here. So we might dip down and hit that real quick. Let's see. I mean, technically there's a 15-minute zone forming in 10 minutes, but it's low-key not that good. I would not bet on that play. Come on, Isaac, let's pop. Right, 30 minute, 15 minute. So those gaps are the same. Alright. Push higher, come on. We don't push higher with that volume spike. It gives a little insight of what to expect. Gives you a little insight of what to expect and what's to come. Let's see. Come on. We're holding that 90 MA too, which is good. Let's see a pop. See a pop here, come on. Here we go. Come on, maintain steam. Did I make a higher? Is that a higher? Nah. You dirty dog. It's 15 stomach. I can keep going. Come on. Let's break the high. Or not. Ooh, price action. A little rough today. What? Bro, what is up with these candles? Alright, we just filled a 30-minute hourly. That's a crazy shakeout. I mean, like, dude, that really happened to me too in my trade. The exact same candle came in when I was trading. Really weird, dude. You have a gap forming though, the lower minute here. We should disrespect this. We should. I want to see it push higher. I mean, with that, can't be like, dude. Come on. Looks like we're actually respecting him, huh? Oh. I spoke too soon. I really want this to go higher. Why not though? We're like actually respecting that gap for some reason. Wow. Wow. Hello. Holy cow. Right, 11 a.m. Holy mackerel. I swear we don't take out London highs, dude. It'd be horrible. Oh wow. It's cute. It's cute. No, it's awesome. Yeah, let's just dump without taking low highs out. Sure, sure. I'm sure. Wow. Okay. That's what I wanted earlier. That's what I wanted earlier. I had about 2 minutes left in me. I'm calling it. About 2 minutes in me. And then I'm probably gonna call it a day. Whatever you. What? Some crazy bottom until now? I'm good, dude. I'm good. Like, this is just insane. I was waiting for this flush all morning. Stinks. Dude, these bottom tails need to be studied. I mean, look at the volume picking up. Is there like news happening? Is there news going on? Like, what is happening? That's now 3 massive volume bars. Holy cell. Wow, well, I had the right idea. Just holy shnikes. It's going down now, Flourish. Going down now. Wait, I'm one for this entry. We just had no manipulation in the zone. So I didn't take it. Did not take it. At this point, though, yeah, no, it might keep going. And then here comes the famous tail. My gosh. You can't make it up, dude. You can't make it up. How are you supposed to train this? Holy. There's that 11 a.m. candle. Goodness gracious. Well, React after zone pretty good. I'll tell you that one. I just had no manipulation going on here. We had that 15-minute zone. Reacted good. Just consolidation was there. It was there right here, but it was there. I want London session has to be taken out. Keep holding the shorts. I mean, you manage as you want, but I mean, at this point, this candle is pretty scary looking. Only considering the volume on it. But again, I can see this thing coming down here and taking out 80 session lows. Yeah, exactly. So considering those highs weren't taken, there's a good chance we probably go higher. That's what I'm waiting for. But I feel like it's been happening a lot though, where it's been missing the session highs and lows, and it just keeps going. Long or short. There's definitely a good short if you cut the value gap, but there was no manipulation, so I didn't take it. No tails, like I'm good. I could have taken. I could have taken this right here. With stops above I. But I could have taken I could have taken these shorts right here. So you had your consolidation zone right here, boom. You know your manipulation up here. Wait for a gap entry. And you had a 1 minute shakeout. Left behind a 1 minute bearish fair value gap. Then we obviously rejected it. And then I could have taken that, but I really wanted those. London highs were right here. So honestly, I was waiting for those to get taken out. So I was really hoping for this. I was hoping for consolidation, sweep, and then dump. That's what I wanted. But I don't know if I get it. Don't know if I get it. We will see. We will see. We will see. We will see. All right. What is it? 11:04. I'll give this stream a couple more minutes. I mean, I'm probably not taking anything today. Well, I took one loss today, but let's see if we can push down. Yeah, so we did actually end up sweeping those 30-minute highs. We did. Yeah, actually, looking, we weren't going to, but we did. It's all good. I had the right idea today. I got into early. Nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. Probably stay here until 11:10ish. But it looks like we might just consolidate now again. That's the bottom good. BWAP's been holding, man. Insane. Insane. We might just now kind of chop around. That's what we do. We make it one decent move, then we just chop. It's like there's just no delivery at all. I just want to cry. All right. Having 3 minutes up to me. 3 minutes. 30-minute zone held. Why didn't this work over here? 15 or 30? So I had this drawn out. Then we came into that zone. We took out liquidity right there. Then we pushed higher. We pushed higher right there. We filled that gap, went higher. Don't want anymore. We swept again. Kept sweeping, kept sweeping. And then we had more. Oh, we did close above that though. More because I didn't take a session. That's what I'm wondering. That's probably why it failed. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna call it. It's been real. I'll be back here tomorrow though.